Applesauce pancakes with caramel apple topping. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Yield 8 4-inch pancakes. Description: there is no better way to use up leftover applesauce than by making fluffy applesauce pancakes with caramel apple topping. It is the perfect fall breakfast. Ingredients: caramel apple topping, 1½ tablespoon butter, 1 apple, peeled, cored and sliced, 1 tablespoon packed brown sugar, applesauce pancakes, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, 1½ tablespoon granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup slow cooker applesauce kit recipe, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, vegetable oil or cooking spray, maple syrup for topping. Instructions: caramel apple topping. In a small saucepan, melt butter over medium-high heat. Add apples and stir until they are coated with butter. Stir in brown sugar and mix until dissolved. Cook sauce for 5 minutes until apples are tender, stirring occasionally. Cover and set aside. Applesauce pancakes. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In a medium bowl, whisk together the applesauce, milk, egg, butter and vanilla. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined batter will be slightly lumpy. Do not overmix. Dampen a paper towel with vegetable oil and rub on a large frying pan or griddle, or spray with cooking spray. Heat pan over medium-low heat and add pancake batter using a 1/4 measuring cup. Pour as many as fit in your pan or griddle. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until small bubbles have begun to form on the surface and edges and the pancake is golden brown. Flip the pancake over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the other side is also golden brown. Repeat until batter is used up. Stack the pancakes and top with maple syrup and caramel apple topping. Notes: for a thick pancake, add a little less milk. For a thinner pancake, add more milk until you reach your desired consistency.